Did you know, when you cover your ears and hear that strange whoosh, that's not noise from the outside, it's you. What you're hearing is the sound of your own blood, rushing through the vessels near your ears, your heartbeat echoing inside your skull. The crazy part? If you focus for a few seconds, you can actually hear subtle changes in your pulse and even micro movements from your jaw and facial muscles. Your body is way louder than you think. You just don't notice it because the outside world keeps it hidden. Pretty wild, right? If this blew your mind, you know what to do.